Today I will show you guys how to make a very easy, healthy and tasty avocado toast. First thing we want to do is throw a sandwich in the toaster. And while our toast is toasting in the toaster, we want to cut our avocado lengthwise and twist to separate the pieces, just like this. And to remove the pit, it's pretty easy. You just want to turn it upside down and push until the pit just falls out. You want to cut the avocado into strips just like this to get it out of the skin really easily. Normally I would use a spoon or a fork or whatever, and I never use my hands, but today I decided to use my hands and it gets messy, so don't do this. It's just weird. And because I have a small toaster, I have to turn my sandwiches manually to get a nice browning on both sides. Now we want to make it into a nice spreadable paste, so we start cutting it into smaller pieces to make it easier. Grab a fork and start mashing down on the avocado so it becomes a nice and spreadable paste. When you're done with the avocado, you want to grab a nice clove of garlic, cut it down the middle. When the toast is done, put it down on your workspace, grab your clove of garlic and start spreading it all over your toast. It just grates it a little bit and gives it a nice coat of garlic. I also added a little bit of olive oil to the bread, but in my opinion it didn't really enhance the toast. So if you want to try it, now is the perfect moment to add it to your toast. This part is pretty straightforward. Just put on some avocado on your toast and just spread it into a nice layer. For the finishing touches, you want to add some sea salt, a little bit of pepper and some chili flakes if you like it. And there you have it, a nice avocado toast, healthy and really filling. Enjoy!